Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Inkscape for SVG brand assets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Inkscape for SVG brand assets, first, navigate to your web browser. In the address bar, type inkscape.org and press enter. Once on the Inkscape website, look for the download button on the home page. Click on the download button to view available versions for different operating systems. Select the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. If you are using Windows, choose the Windows installer option. For macOS users, click on the macOS version to download the installer. If you're on Linux, follow the instructions provided for your specific distribution. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the installation. On Windows, you may need to select Next and agree to the license agreement. Choose your preferred installation options and click Install. For macOS, drag the Inkscape icon to the Applications folder. After installation, open Inkscape by clicking on the application icon. To verify successful installation, a welcome screen should appear. Take a moment to set your preferences, such as user interface or file associations. Now you are ready to create SVG brand assets using Inkscape. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.